How to remove Google accounts from YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can remove Google accounts from YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove Google accounts from YouTube, first of all, if I open the YouTube application and then I show you over here, you can see one of my Google account is logged in. Now keep in mind that YouTube runs because of Google, so that is why your YouTube account basically means having a Google account. So if you're talking about removing a Google account from YouTube, it means that you have to remove that Google account from your device. So in order to do that, first of all, you just need to go ahead and then launch the settings application on your phone. Once you launch the settings app, you simply want to look for the option called accounts over here. In my case, it's accounts and backup. Once I go to accounts and backup, I'll just tap on manage accounts, and then over here you have to select the Gmail account that you want to remove. Just tap on the option called remove. It will ask you for a confirmation. So when you tap on remove and then remove the Google account from your device, it will be automatically removed from a YouTube application. But keep in mind that as long as you have a Google account, you're always going to be automatically logged in on YouTube, because YouTube runs because of Google. Having a YouTube account means having a Google account. Hope this video cleared the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.